This is a wonderful effort on Judicial Commission on Mental Health to bring Smith County together to help us to organize a little better, get a little better dialogue of information on mental health and how we need to handle it better.
Mental health affects every aspect of our community, from our public schools to our churches to our jails and our courts and our hospitals. And it's very important for the people of Tyler and Smith County to come together and get on the same page on how we approach the problem together.
We've been working at this for a lot of years, and we've done some low-hanging fruit. We've actually been successful in some things, but we still have a lot of work to do.
So everybody's coming together, including the local mental health authority, law enforcement, the hospital people were here, and some of our service providers and other legal people were involved in this today that will make the changes.
When I get to sit with the people who work at the jail, or I get to sit and work with people with adult probation, or I get to work with the law enforcement, it enriches me, it helps me better understand all the different parts of the intercept.
There's no one silver bullet. There's no one magic wand that solves a mental health problem. We know that it's complex, and it requires input and effort from all aspects of the community.
So there's a lot of, I guess, intricate parts to this, but we do know that the ER and the jail is not the place that these people need.
Now becomes that very difficult process of going, out of all the great ideas, which one do we get the greatest reward from? If we put all of our community effort behind one specific strategy, what would that be? What would it look like? How would we go about it? What would be the best anticipated outcome?
I hope that we get an accurate assessment of where we are today. I hope that is translated into action, and I hope it improves communication with our partners in Austin who have access to resources and technical assistance, but mostly that it's a call to action that our community can rally behind and really do a better job for those people who are truly in a time of need.
I didn't feel like there were barriers. All the silos felt like they came down today, and that we discussed this so that we can go forward and handle the mental health better. We have a lot of it here in Smith County.
Let's roll up our sleeves, go to work, and be the generation, be the ones who advance behavioral health in Smith County.
I really truly believe that this is the time to move forward.